Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So starting off for the first project, I'm just painting the back of this Dollar Tree wood sign, and then I went ahead and printed off a bunch of Ariana Grande pictures from Pinterest, Google. You can use whatever you want, and then I went ahead and cut those out and then Mod Podged them onto my sign. And I also painted some wooden letters from the Dollar Tree, and I just used the pastel purple color, and then I hot glued these command hooks to the bottom, and I also hot glued the letters into place. The T was a little off, but honestly, like, I still love how this came out. For this next project, I'm just using the same Dollar Tree wooden sign, and I just painted it white, and I went ahead and painted some wooden letters spelling out "Breathe In." I also hot glued a bow to the middle and some command hooks to the side, and I Mod Podged this printed image of Ariana Grande to the bottom. Just be extra careful of bubbles. For this next DIY project, I just got this sign from the Dollar Tree, and it is only out during Valentine's Day, but you could totally DIY this using like wooden cutouts from Michael's or any craft store near you. And so I'm just doing this, and I'm going over the parts where the glitter was and just writing welcome, but you could totally freehand it, or you could even use your Cricut machine if you have one. So I'm just finishing that up, and the next step you want to take is taking your Mod Podge and just putting those images on very carefully so that there are no air bubbles, and just make sure no hairs or dust gets on there. I'm just adding some finishing touches, which are these flowers from AliExpress. They are so cute, and this is the final result. I really, really love how this came out. For this last DIY project, I just used this wooden Dollar Tree sign. This sign is definitely harder to find, but if you do find it, you should definitely buy it. You don't have to make this project. You can make so many different things with this sign. So yes, I'm just painting this a pastel purple color, and then I printed off a bunch of different things from Pinterest, and I'm just Mod Podging these Ariana Grande inspired dollar bills to each of the side where it spins. I just think this was such a creative and unique project idea, and I really, really love how this came out. And that pretty much wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below which project was your favorite and which one you would love to create. If you do recreate these projects, please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. If you're not following me on there already, I post a lot of girly and pink pastel things. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming content, and also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media. Everything will be linked down below as usual, and I will see you guys in my next lovely video.